I know what to do. Can you hear that? That's the voices of children I'm hearing right now. I want to be hearing their voices around me. I think I know what to do.
Hey, yo, God, mom was here. Jesus, this pikin fan die. Hey, hey, sister, excuse me. Well done. Welcome. How are you?
Fine.
You fine?
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. What is the name?
My name is Faith.
Oh, Faith. That's so sweet. Ah, Umosegbe. Angel. Umosegbe, my dear. Ah, I suppose we didn't know how to this one is too hot. You are so beautiful. My queen. Oh, we are suffering now. Eh? I must be a woman by this time. Umosegbe. Can you go to the inside the vehicle? Please.
Fine, sir.
Please. Let's come. Let's come. Omokin, a woman, Lamotu. Anywhere, Nollywood for today, I will take you there. This vehicle is for you. Wa wuri eko, the vehicle is ever ready. Ke no wuri ya wa mo elu. Ke na ba wo ba nyamoto no. In fact, sister, Daddy.
Me why wanna wear me?
Me what where they when in
me why me can't when ya. Me brown over.
Ma, they don't want to do well. Me have a baby now. I will stop this beer because
Abba
yeah, man.
na we boy. My ya me here.
Sister. What's the look? Babe.
Sister. You are highly welcome. Thank you. Welcome, my morning. Thank you very much. What do you care for?
Mom, please, I need water.
Just water.
Why?
That's all.
Yes.
Just water. You can take anything you want.
No, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Can you?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh.
No, je vais là. Non, on y va non, ouais.
No.
Oh, jamais.
No, but
The man is telling me.
don't tell you.
Oh, see, sister, feel free. Here is your home. So you can enter yourself with anything you want. You can collect anything. Thank you very much. Thank you, my mommy.
Where you was?
He did, brother. I love them.
Please, can I ask you a favor? Can you be the mother of my children? Is there any problem? I love that. I love you so much. You are beautiful. Please. For so long, I've been searching for a woman that I will marry. Thank God that today I found you. I love that.
No problem. When the time comes, I'll have your children.
Thank you very much. That money made it. God. Woman. Now, woman, what am I okay so? God, please forgive me. God. Now, don't kill me. Anything you need. The whole house, just carry. All the whole property. I dash you. Forgive me, please.
Hey, you are not dying. What do you think you can offer a ghost?
Nothing, please. Nothing, please.
Now, this should serve as a lesson. Not all ladies you see, you take to bed.
Please.
Now, start counseling men with your own experience.
I will do. Please, I will do.
We are fools.
Mazua. Please.
Where will you stop doing this that you are doing? Why should I stop? Am I killing them? So why should I? Yes, you are killing them. See, all I want is children. And I promise, once it's complete, I will not disturb anymore. Please. Ewe Made! You will hear from me soon. Very soon. I will be waiting. I'm fine. school junction.
Yes.
Are you searching for someone?
I actually came to see somebody there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm heading to that direction right now.
Okay. Can you just hop in so let's go together?
Alright, no
Thank you
problem.
very much. Thank you.
You go.
I was actually about calling you. I just walked in.
I'm here
So,
now.
You're looking so sweet. I swear down. I blessed you. I found you. You are an epitome of beauty. Wow. So, baby, you know what? Just tell me where you want me to take you to. Dubai, Lagos, Abuja, US. Where do you want me to take you to?
Are you kidding me right now?
Like I said, I'm serious.
Please stop.
I'm serious, baby. Just name it. You don't know what you mean to me. You mean the whole world to me. Just tell me.
I said I'm fine.
Okay, fine and good. I insist. Come, let me take you out. Let me take you out
Really?
for shopping. Come on, let's go. Come on, hop in. Hop in, my lady. Just hop in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, the first time for me to bring you to my father's house. My house, so I'm working on my house. So like a few months from now, should we done with the finishing touch? Just sit down. So what can I at least offer you?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Like for the very first time?
I said I'm fine.
No, baby. No. I insist.
Oh, yeah,
Please tell me.
Force me now.
So you want me to be forcing you every time?
Force me. I'm okay.
You know what? Let me show you around your house.
That would be much better.
Much more better. So let's go inside. Let's go inside. Yeah, I love you.
Oh, Jesus. George! George! George!
Brother! Brother, you are here?
I'm here.
Brother, this is unlike you. You hardly come to my house without letting me know. It's okay. Let's go inside.
No. No. What I'm perceiving in this house, in fact, the kind of revelation God has been showing me, I don't understand. I just walk in here, God reveal again.
Brother, you know what? I think God is trying to reveal something to you that I found out already.
Found what?
Brother, my missing ribs, of course.
Your missing ring?
Yes.
That is what God is showing me.
Brother, you know what? All I will just tell you now is to go to home, like go to the house, brother, go and get ready for marriage.
Okay. I will still pray over it. I will still pray
Brother,
over it.
you know what? Let me just call her. Honey!
Oh, don't worry.
Honey!
Don't worry. Let me pray over it. George, let me pray over it. Don't worry.
Thank you very much. Brother, greet your wife, oh.
help her. Now turn back now and do the needful. And in return, she shall help you in a way you don't know yet.
George, brother, you called me on phone. But the thing is, I seriously don't understand the reason why you don't want to come to my house. I've been here waiting for you for like 2-3 hours.
Listen, George, the last time I came, I told you something. Because of that, I refuse to come. I can't come there now.
Brother, you know what? I keep having this dream, like, as in, like, repeatedly. I don't understand it. I seriously don't understand it.
You see, George,
Brother, I can hear you.
you see, I told you a word the last time we met when I came to your house. I told you the revelation I was seeing, the revelation keep on coming. That is why I came. You understand? And when you look at the dream you had and the revelation I gave to you, they are the same. There's no difference. You can play with God.
Brother, what I want to understand now is like, like this dream, what does it mean?
You see, George,
Brother, I can hear you.
George, you go and pray. Go and pray very well. Go and pray very well. Because what God revealed is not a secret. Go and pray very well. I, your brother, Pastor Ben, I promise to join you up with prayers.
Brother, yeah. Fine and good. You said your thoughts. I want to, as well, I want to beg you. Join me in prayers as well, brother.
I promise.
This is it's not something that is ordinary.
No.
Please, join me in prayers. I'm your brother. Brother, just
Relax.
let's go.
George,
Brother,
relax. God is in control. Okay?
I just hope so. Brother, don't think, let's go.
Yes. Now I see that you have met him.
Met him. Met who?
Now I will allow you hear the cry of your parents. Your mother has refused to accept your passing. Only then will you be able to do what humans can do.
I don't understand.
I will help you on one condition.
Which is?
That you return those children back to their fathers.
Well, I will do that right away.
Good. I will see you.
a stressful day.
Sorry about that.
You know what? I enjoyed the food you prepared, like on 100.
Really?
I enjoyed it.
Afuda.
Oh, but you know what? Like, I really need to sleep. I need to rest my head. But before that, I need us to pray.
Pray. Yeah, we'll pray.
I just try and pray.
But don't start that foul thing. Like the other day, your brother started casting and binding foul. I even wanted to ask him if he is hungry or foul.
Oh God, babe. Like, you're so funny. Foul spirit is far different from just normal foul. What are you saying?
It's still the same thing. Foul is foul.
Look at your mouth. Like foul. You're so funny.
Leave it.
Maybe let's pray. Let's pray, please. Huh?
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Not like this.
George, you are welcome. I called you to church because I don't want anyone else to hear what I'm about to tell you.
Brother,
Yeah.
I hope all is well.
Of course, it's well, but it's not. I'm not okay with it. But where is faith?
Brother, faith is fine. She's at home. I left her in her simply because you asked me to follow her.
Please. I hope and I think that you always notice something about her, either in your dream or when you are eating or playing whatsoever. Can you tell me your experience about her?
Brother, don't tell me you asked me to come to church simply because you were talking about my wife.
Yeah.
But you know what? Not even you, my elder brother. Nobody on this planet Earth can come in between myself and my wife.
Listen, apart from I'm your elder brother, remember I'm a pastor. Now, you should know that she's not yet your wife, and she's not your wife.
Brother, she's my wife. You can't come in between us. Can I go now?
George, it's okay. I will pray over it.
Thank you.
I promise to do so. I will pray over it.
Can I go now?
I think this is not on now. I will do something about it.
I presume you have taken the children back to their fathers.
Yes, I just did that now.
Now go home and tell your husband the good news.
Good news? What good news?
Ewemade, you are carrying his child. Go home and tell him everything. I mean everything. Leave nothing out.
I'm carrying his child? How? How possible?
You have been given a second chance to live again. But don't go to your parents except in their dreams.
I heard it all. Is she serious? I'm carrying his child? You mean I'm carrying his child? Oh, I'm carrying his child. He's going to be so happy. I'm pregnant. Everybody, you are pregnant. Baby, I have to tell you everything now and accept my fate.
Tell me everything, like how? And accept what fate? What are you talking about?
My name is not Fate. My name is Ewemade. And I'm the only child of my parents.
My brother, Dom. My
do will come see you. I just say make we go down see you, we discuss this matter. Now tell my guy say it good make we come your house, we come see you. But this matter, if the bother house tonight, it's alright.
Hope I not do anything bad.
No, do anything bad though. God forbid. We should just come talk to see. You know, say that time when you did travel, you bring money come, we will buy land for you. It's plot of land. Yes. You know, say when you come, I can't hand over everything, give you. I don't take anyone. On your own mind, you can't give me 2 plot for inside. But we can't reason and say that 2 plot of land, you know the thing. I want me and the thing. Because you know the delicious the use. Victoria. You know the delicious we use. I can't want to hear, I can't you know again.
Yes.
So what we want to tell you now is say, make you give us 6 plots. Make you take 2. You know why? I get that you. 6 children. God forbid say I can't one for one. I get 6 children. You get only one girl. That's what we are. We have Emily like call me call her. Okay. So you know say you get 1 pikin. We get 5 children.
6.
God don't let me forget my pikin. We get 6 children. That 2 plots when you give us, my brother, may we talk through to. You know the rich still the use again. Now we can't think and say, may we come meet you. Make you give us 6 plots of land. Make you carry 2. Let us come, my brother.
That is pure wickedness. That is pure wickedness. He gave you 2. From his mind, he gave you 2.
Salo.
So you are not satisfied.
I'll tell you what we call you for this one. Family meeting.
What is your wife?
For family meeting.
What is your wife?
No. Put hands on my head. Your boy. No. Don't beg him. Make it quiet for me. No. You.
Hey, bro, relax. You listen to me now.
Now your eye.
Don't believe in the man of the house.
Now you.
My dear wife. This one never reach for quarter. My brother, Gabriel, it will be better for you. Amen. You see the matter you bring us now better matter. Since when me know you when a bonus will take grow up, the first time we had the hear you talk better thing.
Yeah! That's possible.
Gabriel, I want to ask you one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
That 8 plots where they bring money they come, where they buy. Keep with me. That money where they bring now my money I be.
Now your money.
My money.
But I miss save the money.
Okay. No, I don't want to just ask. Then from that 8 plots, as I come, based on say the way you take buy that land, keep with me. And as my own brother.
Yes.
We be the same father.
Yes, I know. The same blood that we carry.
The same. Are they come now? My step brother, like you.
Yes, sir.
Different mama, but the same father.
Yes, sir.
I can't use my church mind. Carry 2 plots from that I give you.
No be lie.
Then you go come my house now. Can't laugh me. Say because I born 1 girl. You get 6 children, abi. Now what must they be? Now you can't laugh me, abi.
Brother.
Hey, Gabriel.
Oh, laugh not do.
As I give you 2 plots now, batting I do.
Listen, you still listen to me. Wait me think. Listen, oh. You know, say now 1 month you dey feed. Me dey feed 6 months. Plus me and my wife, it go be 8 months. That will not reach again. And again, my brother, God forbid now say you go join ancestors. And this your pikin, you go marry to other family. Okay, all those plans now, when you buy now, when you get now, you go give other family.
Let's go.
Now help around, they go take am. Take am. Now help I do.
Gabriel.
Sir.
I wish that your money I take buy the land. I forget my 15 minutes.
Oh, can I pass
As long
baby?
as you don't
Let's
give your
go.
money.
See, I make madam, hey,
If
not
care
try
see,
you.
Go inside.
Make I tell
if
you.
care is not taking that two where I give you, I
Yeah,
will dash you.
yes.
I will collect them back. Nothing for you again.
Now for your,
You be bad,
you know say
brother.
your
Now,
back.
don't get
Yeah,
back.
never go. You know say your pikin wey be if he marry for this family now, he go enter other family. You know if he marry now, na other family dey go. You know if he bear my papa name.
Anything,
You know if he bear
any
my papa
property
name.
where I
He
get,
suppose date this family.
now she go inherit am.
He go go marry and go give other person.
He concern you.
Wait, go jo. Where you go jo? If you come marry now, you go carry property. Go give other family.
Ogeri manua, igeri mama ya doa.
But na family name.
Ogeri manua,
You
igeri
go
mama
fit
ya
get family name.
doa.
Rest.
No worry.
No, I say bear.
No fight. Palawa. Palawa.
Talent is the best answer.
You are right, my dear.
Wala lo we la we. That's why I'm here.
Wow,
Babia.
lobe lave.
What? Amanya ya mu. Where?
Us.
It's
Ote
good.
da.
I'm good.
What beg you are?
Let good me I do for this man. If the pikin go marry now, that means say don't marry property. Go give other person.
That time where I tell you,
I know hear you. I know hear you.
Mama, okay. Why you dey always dey do like this? You say you go send me message I not see.
What did I do? I tell you that they say make you dey go now. Say I won't go home. Say if I go come, I will send you message. You never go now. If I don't go home, I will send you message.
Which kind of thing be all this one? Since you never say go home.
No. By the way, the message when they send me, so when I tell you say they go tag home and they go here, so you give me transport.
No, but you just say you go.
Yeah, if I talk say I go, you not go give me transport. You give me transport. Oh, let me dey waka here. By the way, what your husband they do? You too lazy. Your husband not get what they do.
Mama, if you want talk to me, talk to me. Not curse my husband.
They waka for you and your husband. Say I dey curse your husband.
No, now you volunteer. Say you go by yourself.
If you not
so
cry,
which one you gonna curse my husband for this matter?
If you not cry, come on, no volunteer. Volunteer one and not they give me money. Your husband, tell me what your husband don't do for me since he married.
If you say you tell me say you no go, you no fit do one for us. We for don't find how we want one. Now they talk say my husband a lazy man. Which kind of be all?
Very, very, very lazy. Too lazy. Obiere can obiere gbegbo. Obiere gbegbo. Eke obole be fue. Oke. Ogbo fe. Ede mi ole ye.
Any idea like am my husband?
Like your husband.
Oh, I bet try. Try me you quick go home.
Me and you know the quarrel. I go. I dey do this thing because of my grandchildren, because of you. Your husband too lazy. May we talk true. Now me and you too lazy.
Mama, you leave my husband for this matter.
I hold her.
Madam, hello.
Bring my children.
We did fine.
Our husband.
We did.
Welcome to my husband's house.
Thank you. Where you go?
We went out.
I said, may I come see you? Because that day we will come with the talk. The way where you take position, where you take stand for the matter, you not do well. You not do well, oh. As how? I said, may I ask you? For my mind, though, I don't think am. I don't reason am well. If na a house I want you born this pikin for, this Ebemade, why you never come born for one?
So that is the reason why you came.
Yes, so.
Well, I don't have anything to tell you.
Which one will not get anything to tell
I
you?
don't have anything to say. All I have to say is that whether the child is for Osahon, my husband, or for another person, is left between you and God. Let God be your judge.
I can see
You don't have anything.
you dey do ziggy. Now you know, now your own not dey for. Now your own not dey for. Because me don't really look am well. I don't even ask my husband. I'm not sure say na a house I want you born Ebemade for. If na him, you don't reach, don't give am. Don't give am reach like 6 or 8. Huh? You first me come. Me will come last, I don't get 6. And they even plan to get another one. You when me come meet, only one. Go think am well, may you touch through. Think am well, may you let the bag give us the land. Think am well, may I dey here, sha.
Friend!
My friend.
How is everything? Thank God, though.
Move.
How your side? Where you dey go?
I be wan reach my friend house.
I want to go see Father going for them.
Okay. Everything I want to talk to. This issue wey Gabriel. See, okay, this guy is black. Give am two. No be money to buy. Give am. See me, give am.
My brother, you know, say sometimes if you dey invite person, say maybe you dey take am, you dey get joy or encouragement. So like that Gabriel, be like say you no know am. In mind, na bad dey for time. Na wetin dey in mind na you dey do. I don talk.
Na peace we want.
Na
So
true.
we no want because of now, make this community go scatter for us.
Na true you talk.
Wetin we go do now?
I be dey try, but I will still dey try.
Abeg, you still talk to Ram.
Gabriel man too strong.
You still talk to Ram. Make that
He
your
too
best
strong,
come down.
oh.
Because if you don't come down for this community, we go beat am one day.
I even dey think am sef say if I come from grandma house, I will reach him house.
Better.
Make I still go see
Abeg.
whether you go take o.
Abeg.
Na be the
Because
issue.
I wan go see my friend now. Abeg. Let me talk to Ram.
Oh, my brother.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Oh, Mondo. Bless you.
Thank you.
Come here. I don't understand. Hey, Wemade, wetin dey take gum this your mouth wey no dey let you take the open? You are talking to her like that, abi? You are talking to Rose like that. I'm not your mate, abi. I'm your mate, abi. You know so na pa get money. The sponsor na for school well. Una go get English for math, England or everything na dey speak am. So as una big reach so, una never reach to tell una papa say make he leave that land. No, does it belong to me? The land is for our father now. The land is for yes, we are the owner of the land. Wemade, so that respect where they no teach you now, where you no get Wemade, I don't slap out. Shut up! I'm not your mate! Did I look like your mate? Shut up! Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Leave her, let's go.
Stop making her beat us more.
Leave her. Leave her.
So allow me make her slap her.
Bring the other slippers, come. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see my father. Look at them.
It's unbelievable. Oh, we are meant to be family. My brother from out, it's not supposed to be so.